Hello guys, today I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to find the best HelloFresh discount codes to save on your meal kits. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Visit HelloFresh offers page. First, head over to the HelloFresh offers page, hellofresh.com/pages/coupon-codes-and-promotions on your web browser. They regularly update their list of discount codes and promotions so you can find the best deals and offers. Look for codes that offer the highest percentage off or the best value for your purchase. So they update this every time. Just make sure to click this get offer button and then just fill in and follow these instructions. Next is to actually check Reddit posts. Visit r/HelloFresh subreddit. Reddit users often share discount codes that have worked for them, so you can find some great deals here. Make sure to check the comments for the most up-to-date codes and tips from other users. You can check out these Reddit posts here, so many discount codes, and the best discount or deal you've seen. That's basically it.